Here is the latest addition to the museum, a 1958 Chrysler New Yorker Convertible. This car got talked about a lot in the past month as it was up for auction in Wichita, Kansas. I flew in, checked out the car, and the car is a one-owner, fully documented car. Actually pretty loaded. Most of your power options, got air conditioning and all of that, and appears to be about as original as a car can be. You know, it's not without its condition issues, of course, given the originality, but I mean, the car is, as you can see, just absolutely incredibly solid. Now, we have done absolutely nothing at this point to the car. We've literally unloaded it and had it here. As you can see, it's got the seat covers on it, which are heavily yellowed. But when you look at the dash and all the trim, I mean, the car is in phenomenal shape given its age. You know, total number of these is, you know, floating somewhere around a dozen of them, I believe, are left at this point. Incredibly rare car. So do the full walk around. The last time the car was actively driven was 1989. Got full service records going back to new. All of the changes, oil changes, belt changes, things of that sort. It did have a new top put on it, which was documented in his notes. But really, other than that, this car has got to be the most original example that exists, and just really, really amazing condition. The gauges are excellent. Most of the trim is in really, really good shape. As you can see, here, let me jump in here. 57,000 miles, but just look at the gauges. Really incredible. You know, some of the oil change stickers and whatnot that are on it. There's one from 1967. So you'll be seeing a lot more about this car, but just wanted to let you guys know I did get something new. And as far as what I'm going to do with it, right now it's all about preservation, definitely not restoration. So we'll go through, get underneath the car. We're going to try to clean it, you know, just as much as we can. As far as the outside, we'll just wash it. But, you know, inside, we'll debate whether or not we take these plastic covers off and try to see what the interior actually looks like underneath there. You know, the car runs pretty good. We'll make sure that it's safe to move around as far as with the brakes and the steering and all of that stuff. But really want to leave this as the time capsule, you know, that it is. Because really the worst spot on the entire car is right there, which is probably something just dripping from the ceiling. But otherwise, I mean, look at that. Absolutely incredible. So stay tuned, keep watching our page, and you can follow the updates on what we'll be doing with this totally incredible, absolutely amazing 58 Chrysler New Yorker Convertible.